Hey guys, in this video, let's try and see if we can cover all the key concepts from our 15 minutes long video on creating a blank project and creating a readme file into a 2 minutes test byte. So let's get started. Let's go to a directory where you want to create our project. Let's make an empty project. Let's call it bytes because, well, it's little things. Change directory to our project. Now open in Visual Studio Code. We already met our goal number 1. Now let's go create a readme file, readme.md. We met our goal number 2, but let's fill it in. Let's call it bytes. This is our super fast tutorial project. This is how you give subheadings. So for example, tools, you can say we're using PowerShell and we're using VS Code, maybe a little bit more things. That's how you can make bullet points. I can show more headings, for example, goals, readable, maintainable, scalable, right? I can show you how to make, for example, some to-do tasks. So for example, make atomic tests, right? Make your test run in parallel. You get the point, right? Now you want to give some references, and here you want to give some links. So for example, my GitHub repo, and then let's say if you want to give a link, Windows 4, copy the link, Windows 2, Windows, not this one, but the other one. And if you click on this, I think we are done. And if you click on this, you go to the repo. Mission accomplished. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.